Guys, how's it going? So, in honor of the U.S. women's soccer team winning the gold, I want to show you guys how to draw the trophy. So, to start off with the trophy, we're going to begin down here. So, starting right here, I'm going to draw a line that just kind of curves up like this. Then, starting right here, I'm going to draw a little line that just kind of follows this curve like that. Then I'm going to take this line and I'm going to curve it this way just a little bit. And then I'm going to take this line and I'm going to do the same thing, and then I'm going to make this line touch like that. Then starting right here, I'm going to draw a line that just kind of curves down so it gets wider as I get towards the bottom. And then I'm just going to connect these with a nice straight line. Now, starting right here on my paper, I'm going to just draw a line that just kind of curves up and out like this. Then I'm going to draw a line that goes straight up like this, a little bit higher. And then I'm going to redraw this line, and I'm going to bring it all the way down to here. Then, starting right here, I'm going to curve this around, and I'm just going to bring it up towards the top of my paper like that. Then I'm going to draw a little line. And then I'm just going to redraw this shape, and I'm just going to let it slowly run into this. Then I'm going to make sure this line is lined up a little bit more. Now, right in here, I want to draw the soccer ball. So I'm going to start right here, and I'm just going to draw a nice big circular shape that's not completely filled. Then starting right here, I'm going to draw a little line that just kind of comes down. Now for the patterns on the soccer ball. So what I'm going to do is, starting right here, is I want to draw a diamond shape. So I'm just going to draw two little lines like this, and then a little pattern like this. Then what I'm going to do is I'm going to draw a line off of the end of each of these corners. Then I'm going to put little triangles on these two. And then I'm going to put a curved line here, then a line that goes down and then over right there. Then right here, I'm going to draw a line that goes down and then up at an angle. Then another line that goes down and then over like this. Then over here, I'm going to draw a line that goes up and then up a little higher. Then I'm just going to draw a little line that goes over here. Then right here, I'm just going to draw a line that goes down, over, and then up. And then a little diagonal line right here. Then I'm going to draw another diagonal line here. and then a line just connects it right to there. Now for the base of the trophy. So I'm going to turn my paper just so I can create this shape. So starting right here, I want to make an oval. So I'm going to just draw a small oval shape right here. Then I'm going to draw 2 lines going down. And then I'm going to connect them with a small curve. Then I'm going to do the same thing here. I'm going to turn my paper one more time. Starting right here, I'm going to make a nice oval curve. Then turn it again. Then just like I did on the top one, I'm going to draw 2 lines that go down. And then I'm just going to make a nice curved line to connect them. And there you go. There's your Women's World Cup trophy. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed.